Houzer PCS-2500 WH Porcelain Series Porcelain Enamel Steel Undermount Single Bowl Kitchen Sink. Perfect for medium to small households, the Porcelain Series from Houzer is the best single bowl white kitchen sink on the market. The single bowl is the top features of this sink because of its well-rounded corners. When you install a sink, you might not spend too much time thinking about the cleaning aspect, but single basin sinks often come with cleaning issues because of their distinct corners. The Houzer PCS-2500 WH Porcelain Series Porcelain Enamel Steel Undermount Single Bowl Kitchen Sink offers internal dimensions of 20.3 inches by 15 inches and is 9 inches deep, but the corners are a gentle slope that rounds out the bottom of the basin. The non-porous high glass finish will look great in any kitchen.